Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So it's a pretty much up and down day yesterday, but the important factor here is look at the oscillators. We've got a massive amount of bullish diversions from the previous swing low. You can take, when you take that one, yeah, we can actually take this swing low and see where the oscillators were and where they currently are, and this oscillator is a lower low, and then this is a higher low, ever so slightly. But I would take it from sort of 2 weeks ago, where you had this low at 108043, and look at the oscillators there compared to the higher low and then the lower low on the oscillator. So that is bullish diversions above the moving averages. Look at my oscillators rolling over, separated beautifully. This is a bullish setup of note. The only problem we have is this zone of strong resistance that we need to get through. Once we're through it, it's going to be a different kettle of fish completely. So if we get down to the 3 hour, this is an example of patience at the moment. 3 hour is a little bit of a different picture. You can see my oscillators are separating, not rolling yet, and we are in a range right now. So that's the range that we're in. So we need to get above 109034 before we start taking these longs too seriously. Right now we're in amongst the moving averages and the crossover is bearish, so not really want to pay too much attention to that. And when we drill down to the hour, yesterday's sideways price action is exactly the same as Friday. So you can see there's actually another top of range, which is pretty much where price is right now at 108949. So it's only a 200-point range, which is actually not that bad when you're waiting for an opportunity. So for me, this is still wait. I would like to see us recapture 109. So if we can recapture 109, build a base on 109, then I'd be looking for opportunities to the upside. I just don't think we're going to drop below 108763. There's just way too much support there at the moment. But if we do, it's going to be a fairly rapid move down, and the next level of support is going to be right here at the 150 EMA on the 3 hour, and that's going to be at 108456. So I think more bullish and bearish at the moment, but I think we need to see a break of that range to the upside, and that would give us the opportunities to get moving. Now, just lastly on the 15-minute, you can see how yesterday was just chaotic. The whole market was chaotic in actual fact, so massive moves in no direction pretty much. Gap, multiple 15-minute gaps here as well. There's gaps everywhere on flipping every instrument I've looked at, but decent crossover of all the moving averages that's happened this morning. So if this holds, there's definitely an opportunity. It'll probably bump its head at 109034, come back, build a base, and that pullback to build a base would be nice around here at 108950. That would be an opportunity for a long, because look at my risk. My risk is going to be 100 points, and the upside potential is massive, providing we break above 109. So yeah, more of a sit in hands and wait, but basically checking the phone at least every hour to see what's going on, to see if we can get the opportunity to get in on this and get a move to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.